Hey guys, what's up? Today we're taking a look at the official Link Bracelet from Apple for the Apple Watch. In this video I would like to share my personal experience of how this bracelet has held up after 3 years, how comfortable it is to wear and what advantages and disadvantages it has. It's probably the most beautiful, most expensive, and classiest steel bracelet for the Apple Watch, and I understand everyone who says that €349 is way too much for an Apple Watch strap. Yes, I know, but it is from Apple. But apart from that, this band is so precise, of high quality, and above all with over 140 individual parts, and it is so elaborately manufactured that you can probably justifiably ask for this price. This bracelet has actually been around since the first Apple Watch generation in 2015. It comes in silver like the one I have here, and in space black. The space black version costs even €100 more. These links are so perfectly worked into each other that you think it is just one single piece of metal. It's hard to believe that there are over 140 parts installed here. And it makes the Apple Watch look even more elegant, especially the stainless steel versions, which already have a nice and shiny look. Apple did a really good job with the overall package of this product line with this noble bracelet. There is the right bracelet for every occasion and every taste. But it doesn't just look high quality and classy, it also feels that way, and so does the weight of 59 grams. If you attach the bracelet to the Apple Watch including the bracelet weighs 105 grams. The surface of the bracelet is matte and only shimmers slightly. Depending on how the light falls on it, it is sometimes a little bit brighter than it usually is. The workmanship of the individual links, the mechanism of the folding clasp, and the overall composition is really excellent in my opinion. You can actually call it perfect. When you take it in your hand, you immediately notice how solid it is built. Absolutely nothing wobbles or rattles here, which is to be expected at the price. But this bracelet has another great advantage. You can easily adjust the length yourself by simply pressing and pulling these small buttons on the inside. Depending on whether you want it shorter or longer, you can remove the individual links or add a few extra ones. So you don't have to go to a watchmaker or to the Apple Store. If the links are not enough for you or you have lost them, you have the option of buying the individual links from Apple for €10 each piece. This makes it the only bracelet that really fits every wrist. No matter how thin or wide your wrist is, you can theoretically extend it as long as you like, which is not possible with any of the other bands. So how has this bracelet held up after 3 years? I didn't have it on my arm all the time, but always alternated with my other bands that I have. I can describe the wearing comfort as good. It rarely bothered me. And it is definitely better than the replicas of other Link bracelets on the market, but not as comfortable as a sports band or the braided solo loop. When I hold it up to the light at an angle, you can already see that the strap has of course gotten a few scratches from everyday use, which I don't find bad at all. Because the silver color hides it so well that you would only see it from a few centimeters away. And what are the disadvantages of this bracelet? Apart from the price, the disadvantage of this bracelet is that in summer it is possible that you often sweat under it because of the high temperatures, and your arm can swell slightly and it then becomes a bit too tight. There were times when I took the watch off for a few minutes. Despite the high price of €349, I have not regretted buying this bracelet for the Apple Watch. For me personally, it is worth it and I would buy it again. Let me know in the comments of what you think about this bracelet. Do you like it, and is it worth it? Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, then give it a like to let me know. And if you want to stay tuned for more videos like this, then please consider to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you in my next video.